How to change region or country on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm excited to show you all on how to switch your region or country on Instagram. Changing your region is a simple process that can unlock a whole new set of features specific to that location. For instance, in my home country of Nepal, some features of Instagram isn't available. However, by switching it to India, I can access this feature. It's all about taking advantage of different offerings available in various regions. But remember, some features are exclusive to certain regions. So if I switch from Nepal to India, I might lose access to specific features. So let me guide you through the step of changing your region on Instagram. First of all, you need to transition your account from a personal or creator account to a business account. To do this, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on three lines. Go to Settings and Privacy, select your account and switch it to Professional account. After choosing your category and clicking Done, select Business, provide your business address details and save the changes. Once you've completed these steps, your business account will be set up with a new location. That's the process of changing your location or region on Instagram. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content like this. See you in the next one.